I know, it's exciting. We're getting ready to plant some seeds. I'm going to do sugar cane too. Some of the seeds I've saved from the other gardens I've had. So yeah, I'll be planting those. I know it's January, but it's a good time to start germinating the seeds. Ah, baby girl, you're attacking me. So I'll be doing onion chives, radish, cantaloupe, watermelon, and then I have some old seeds here. Oh, I have radish. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing, little booger? Okay, aside from having all of my seeds that I've saved up, so I sorted through all of the seeds that I have that I've saved, and then, oops, sorry, baby girl. Yeah, so I'm making a mess out here. Oh, these are peas. So I'll be, oh, don't eat them. She's like, but I like peas. But anyway, they say in certain climates, certain regions that, you know, when it's the best to start germinating your seeds. Well, I've always started in January, and it says for my climate in my area, because we do get snow here in upper northeast California. Also, the northern California gets snow. But I start January, and then my garden is just beautiful by spring, you know, starting to really come in. So anyway, I went got some dirt. Now, I don't buy soil anymore. I used to buy all of that, but I've been composting, and then plus I'm on a couple of acres, so I will actually grab the soil from down below. Let me show you that soil. A lot of leaves out there, but you know what? I mulch them. I started mulching them about 10 years ago, just back into the ground. I rake them out there or just blow them and then run them over with a lawnmower. And anyway, so I'm on granite rock, and also some clay and some black soil. Yeah, we have gold out here in these parts. And then all the oak leaves, everything that just decomposes out there, decomposed granite. It's really good for draining the soil, you know, from the water from the plants. So anyhow, I just started learning on my own. And see those corn stalks over there? So I'm going to break those down, burn them to ash, and then put them back to the soil. Then plant some corn over there. Now I do have, you guys didn't see, you missed it. Mika just fell over on her own. But the corn seeds I have, those will work. But I still have some packets of seeds. And so I might as well just put them all together, use what I need, and then put them back in their little baggie. And I label them or mark them with the black magic marker. So I just grab the soil down there and crumple the leaves up and put them with the soil. A lot of the plants want the acidity. Like raspberries, blueberries. My strawberries do well with the ash. My blackberries do well. So I just put that in the soil, and I just do a good mixture. And then the chickens I have, of course, I get their poo-poo, and I mix all of that in with the soil. And it's not the fresh stuff. I let it sit for more than 6 months. And then take it out of like, if you ever have dog bags, like dog food bags, save them. They don't seem to be so biodegradable. They last a long time. So put your chicken poo in there. And with me, I've never had an issue. I don't have to separate the chicken poo from anything. I just put it in with the soil and just plant my seeds, and then they're off. Now, I have noticed this. So here's the funny thing. I've thrown some apples out, and I don't normally throw the seeds because I know they're, you know, they have arsenic in them and not good for your chickens to swallow seeds. Well, you know, I did some planting with their poo one year. I was growing a heck of a lot of stuff. I didn't know what I was growing. I got an apple tree out of it. I got a cherry tree out of it. And I'm thinking to myself, well, wait a minute. How did a cherry pit get out there? Well, it got out there. So now I have 2 cherry trees growing. So it's interesting. I mean, hey, the acidicity. Anyway, the seeds just love it, and they just start growing. So I don't know what region you're in. You could put it in comments below, but I'm in the northeast of California, so pretend you're going to Tahoe or Truckee, one or the other. I'm going up that way. I don't know what's going on this year, but check this out. It's 60 degrees out right now, and I think it's about noon. It shouldn't be 60 degrees, maybe 40 for a warm day. But normally we would be in the 30s right now, and maybe rain or snow. I feel like it's spring already. All right, take care. God bless all of you. No, those aren't Christmas lights. Those are patriotic lights. They're red, white, and blues. So, you know what? I'll just keep them up all year because I'm praising God for our country, and He's going to get it back online. Okay, God bless. Bye.